Hello, today I'd like to show you how to brush your pet's teeth. You're first going to want to start off with the appropriate supplies. There are animal-specific toothpaste for your pets, so you want to make sure you have one specific to them. Our toothpaste will upset their stomach, so you definitely do not want to go into our drawer and use our toothpaste. There are several flavors available for them, and also you're going to want the appropriate toothbrush or a finger brush. You can do finger brush, or they have the dual-ended toothbrushes. And so you would just pick the size that's going to fit best in their mouth. And then for the cats, they even have a smaller toothbrush for their small mouth. So initially, to get started with brushing their teeth, you're going to want to start off slow. And you're going to start by first just putting their finger in their mouth, just kind of rubbing against their teeth to get used to that. Then you're going to want to add some toothpaste to your finger and just kind of rub that over to get them used to that idea as well. Once they're a little more comfortable and you're more comfortable, then you can go ahead and either put a finger brush on or use a toothbrush and proceed with an actual brushing of the teeth. To get started initially, you're going to want to just brush a couple of the teeth to kind of get used to the feel of everything. And once they're used to it and you're used to it, then what we typically recommend is going to start in the back of the mouth and work your way up front. Most of the plaque and tartar buildup is going to be back here on the fourth premolar and molar area. So it's most definitely important to get back there, but to also hit the rest of the teeth if you can. So, like I said before, the best step is just to go slow. You don't want to get overwhelmed yourself. You don't want to overwhelm your pet, because then everyone gets frustrated and it's just easier to give up that way. So with Ruby today, what you're going to want to do if you're just starting off is you'll just kind of pick up the lip here a little bit and then do a little rubbing motion with the toothpaste on there. And then you're just going to go ahead and hit each teeth. And then you'll work your way to the bottom and do the same thing where you get your little brush in there and then rub on her teeth. Once she's used to it and you're used to it and you're more comfortable with the procedure, like I mentioned earlier, you're going to want to start in the back and work your way up. Because if by chance they're getting antsy, we want to hit those main parts first and go forward. So that's the main thing with brushing their teeth, is just to take it easy and go nice and slow. That way everyone gets used to the process.